y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Anna G, and today I'm going to come to y'all with a blazer haul. Y'all, I got a lot of cute blazers and I just want to show y'all because you'll be surprised at the gems that you can find in Goodwill, y'all. Yes, Goodwill. Blazers literally like under $12. Like really cute gems that you can find. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and get right to this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Liking will let me know, like, you know, y'all like these type of videos so I can keep them coming for y'all. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right to this video. Okay, so this first one, y'all, is this pink kind of like suede type material blazer. Has the shoulder pads, really cute. Has the gold buttons. Really cute. This one right here is literally like my favorite one. Has a faux pocket here with the buttons, and then has real pockets down below. So yes, really cute. And like I said, all of my Goodwill blazers were under $12. Like I have not paid like more than $12 for any of these blazers that I've got for Goodwill. So you really can catch really good deals. And this one doesn't have a tag like showing like what brand or you know who made it. It just has a tag for like the care instructions. So I don't know where this one is you know, like made from. But really cute. So pink shoulder pads, suede material, gold buttons. Next one is this olive green one. This one said the tag said Studio One. Really cute olive green 3/4 sleeve. Really cute. Has shoulder pads as well. This next one is a black Calvin Klein blazer. Full sleeve. Really cute. Faux pockets. This is cute. Next one is a red one. This one is from Dress Barn. Pockets. Really cute. I like this red one. So remember, even though I'm telling you like the brand of it, I got these from Goodwill. Cute shoulder pads as well. Yeah, really cute. Next one is this. It's like beige and a little bit of other browns in it, but it's really cute. Hopefully I can see like the pattern. Y'all, this one is so cute. This is another one of my favorites. Now for this one, this one I think was like $7, so I could not pass it up. It's a little tight. I can't lift my arms that far up, but that's fine. It's cute. I ain't gonna lift my arms anyway. So yeah, I was like, for $7, I cannot not get this. Like, yeah, this one is so cute. Has faux pockets. Actually no, this one, it has real pockets. Really cute. Oh my goodness, do y'all see that sleek design? Oh, and with the sleeves rolled up. Oh my goodness, so cute. And this one said I don't know how you pronounce it, Bici 2 was the brand, BICI, Roman numeral 2. Shoulder pads as well. Really cute. This next one is a long black one, and this one is the brand Pretty Little Things. So this one was a really cute gem as well. Really cute black. This one doesn't have any shoulder pads. With the black and tan buttons. Really cute. Just a loose fitting blazer. Alright, next one is another red one. This one comes down a little lower, and this one said the tag said the brand Regal. Really cute. This one I can close it and button it if I want. Really cute, like a really deep V right here. Really cute. This next one is a long striped blazer, black and tan and white. And this one, the tag said the brand Jacqueline Smith. Really cute. Again, this one is a longer one. Black buttons and pockets as well. Really cute. You can see the pattern. And this one has shoulder pads too. This next one, this is different, but it's really cute to me. It's from a brand called Tribal. Has the dark blues and browns and tans, blue buttons, faux pockets. Oh, actually, yeah, faux pockets. This one is really cute. Like I said, it's definitely different, but really cute, long. Has the shoulder pads, and this one's definitely like a thick material, so really good for the winter. You can see the design. Cute, right? Different, but cute. Cute. So, yeah. Okay, this one right here is another one of my faves. Black and white with gold buttons. This one is long as well. This one has real pockets and shoulder pads as well. Really, really cute. This one also gives me that Hillary Banks vibe. So really, really cute. This one didn't have a tag, so I can know what brand it is. And this one was my latest find, actually. This one was $8.05. Yeah, $8.05. Telling y'all, Goodwill is where it's at for these cute blazers, y'all. Really, really cute. So yeah, this one is another one of my faves. Come up close so you can see the design. Alright y'all, so those blazers that I just showed you before, those are all of the ones that I got from Goodwill. The rest of them is from like other places, but the bulk of my blazer collection is from Goodwill. And I'm being generous by saying under 12. It might have even been like under $10, y'all. Seriously, like some of these I bought a while ago. But yeah, Goodwill, I'm telling you, they have some really good gems for blazers. So this next one, so like I said, all those were Goodwill. This next one is from Shein, and I had this one for a while. So this one right here, it's really cute, like a blue and what is it called? What is that type of art? It's at the tip of my tongue. Abstract. So solid blue and kind of like abstract right here. This one is really cute. This one is a little big, but okay, I still like it. And I can button it if I want. And it also came with this right here, but it don't have no, it doesn't have any loops. So I guess you just tie it how you want to. I don't know if I really like the tie, to be honest. I mean, I guess it helps. I got it all crooked, but I don't know. I guess it helps to kind of cinch in, but I don't really care for the tie. But it's still, this is a cute blazer. Like a statement piece with this side right here. Really cute. Again, this one came from Shein. Okay, Okay, y'all, this next one, this one is from Boohoo. This one is really, really cute. Kind of like a off-white and gold. And this one is long. Has faux pockets and the shoulder pads. I'm gonna come close so y'all can see the design. Yeah, when I saw this one, I was like, oh, this is so cute. Hopefully y'all can see it all the way down. No buttons, just kind of like a, just a thin flowy type of blazer. 3/4 quarter sleeve. Yeah, really cute. All right, this one right here is another one from Boohoo, just a long black one. Same thing, has faux pockets, shoulder pads. Just a long flowy one, no buttons or anything like that. This one's cute as well. This next one is a blue one. This one is from Old Navy. Really, really cute as well. Has the buttons, the button designs on the arm. Cute. And this one has a one button right here. I can button it up if I want. This one's a little big, but again, y'all, I got this on clearance. Like I said, I couldn't leave it. I couldn't leave it. Really cute. This one still got the tag on it. Ain't even wear it. Yep. But this one is really cute. Kind of like a long V in the front. So yeah, Old Navy on their clearance rack. I got this a while ago. Alright, so this next one, this is from Old Navy as well. My daughter had got this for me for a gift. I don't know if it was for my birthday or Christmas, one of those. But yeah, this one is so cute. Basically like a plaid, and it's playing off like, kind of like the Burberry type look. So yeah, this one is really cute. This one is a little big, but I still like it because I can button it if I want to. It is long, goes down. So cute. Oh my goodness, so cute. Has the shoulder pads as well. Yeah, I really like this. So cute. I'm gonna come up closer so y'all can see the design. Alright y'all, so that is the end of this video. That is all my blazers that I have right now. Again y'all, check out Goodwill. Check out Goodwill. You're gonna find some really nice gems in there. And the other ones, I'll see if I can link them. The ones that I got from Shein and Boohoo, I'm gonna see if they're still available. Because like some of these I've had for a while. And if so, I'll link it down below, as well as the ones from Old Navy too. So yeah. This concludes my blazer haul. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give your girl a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I like talking to y'all down in the comments. So yeah, I will see y'all on my next one. Bye y'all.